There's Ayana. She's just, watching the wheel there, making sure she's okay. There's Uzza. She's recuperating from the big wave that crashed over the bow and got her. Yeah, it's tough out here in the open ocean. Oh, there goes our future boat right there.